Making a curtain can be a fun and creative project. Here's a simple guide to help you make your own curtain. Materials you'll need. 1. Fabric. Choose a fabric of your choice. 1. Make sure it's wide enough to cover your desired window or space. 2. Measuring tape. 3. Scissors. 4. Sewing machine or needle and thread. 5. Thread that matches the color of your fabric. 6. Curtain rod or hooks. 7. Iron and ironing board, optional, but recommended for a polished look. Step-by-step instructions. Measure the window. Use a measuring tape to determine the width and length of the window or space where you want to hang the curtain. Add a few inches to the measurements for seam allowances and hemming. Cut the fabric. Lay the fabric flat on a clean, large surface. Using the measurements from step 1, mark the dimensions on the fabric with a fabric pencil or chalk. Double-check your measurements before cutting the fabric. Cut along the marked lines. Hem the sides. To prevent fraying, fold over each side of the fabric about ½ inch to 1 inch and press it with an iron. Then, fold it over again by the same amount and press it. Pin the folded hems in place. Use a sewing machine or hand stitch along the edge of the hem to secure it. Repeat this step for both sides. Hem the bottom. Similarly, fold over the bottom edge of the fabric by about 1 inch and press it. Then fold it over again by the same amount and press it. Pin the hem in place and sew along the edge to secure it. Create a rod pocket. At the top of the curtain, fold over the fabric to create a pocket wide enough to fit your curtain rod or hooks. The size of the pocket will depend on the diameter of your rod or hooks. Make sure to leave some extra space for easy insertion and removal. Press the fold and pin it in place. Sew along the folded edge, leaving both ends open. Finishing touches. Trim any loose threads and give the curtain a final press with an iron to make it neat and crisp. Hang the curtain. Slide the curtain rod or hooks through the rod pocket you created. Adjust the gathers evenly along the rod or hooks to achieve the desired look. Hang the rod on your window or chosen area. That's it. You've successfully made your own curtain. Feel free to customize it further by adding trim, tiebacks, or other embellishments to suit your style.